Have you ever wondered how it's possible to change gears without causing total chaos inside your car? It seems like magic, but it's actually pure engineering. In today's video, we'll explore how the clutch works, the unsung hero doing all the heavy lifting for you. If you think you know everything about cars, get ready to be amazed by the essential role the clutch plays. Stick around and discover how a simple pedal can transform your driving experience. Let's dive in. What is a clutch and what is its function? The clutch is a vital component of a vehicle's transmission system, responsible for enabling the temporary connection and disconnection between the engine and the transmission. This function is crucial for changing gears or stopping the car without turning off the engine. The engine is always running when the vehicle is on, and we need a mechanism to control the power delivery to the wheels. That's the role of the clutch. When you press the clutch pedal, a complex set of components comes into action. The pedal is connected to a system of levers and cables or a hydraulic system, which acts on the pressure plate. The pressure plate, a crucial component, moves away from the clutch disc, which is attached to the flywheel. The flywheel is directly connected to the engine and rotates with it. When the pressure plate moves away, the clutch disc disengages from the flywheel, interrupting the power transfer from the engine to the transmission. This allows you to change gears without causing excessive wear or friction on the gears. After changing gears, when you release the clutch pedal, the pressure plate moves back, pressing the clutch disc against the flywheel. This action reconnects the engine to the transmission, allowing the engine's power to be transferred back to the wheels. The process is smooth and efficient, thanks to the ingenious design of the clutch, which uses friction to control the power transfer. Moreover, the clutch allows the vehicle to idle without moving. When the car is stopped and in gear, the clutch pedal must be pressed to prevent the engine from stalling. This is especially useful in heavy traffic or at stoplights. The clutch consists of several key components, including the clutch disc, pressure plate, flywheel, and sometimes hydraulic or mechanical systems that assist in operation. The clutch disc is usually coated with friction material to provide the necessary grip for efficient power transfer. Without the clutch, gear changes would be harsh and could damage both the engine and the transmission, making driving extremely uncomfortable. Therefore, the clutch not only facilitates smooth gear changes but also protects the transmission system and enhances the overall driving experience. It's a fundamental component for the smooth and efficient operation of vehicles, providing control and comfort to the driver. Main components of the clutch. The main components of the clutch are the clutch disc, pressure plate, and flywheel. The clutch disc, attached to the transmission shaft, has a friction surface that contacts the flywheel. The pressure plate, connected to the flywheel, applies pressure to the clutch disc, ensuring it stays firmly against the flywheel to transmit the engine's power. The flywheel, fixed to the engine, rotates with it and serves as a friction surface for the clutch disc. Additionally, actuation systems like the clutch pedal and hydraulic or mechanical mechanisms are essential for controlling the clutch engagement and disengagement, allowing the driver to change gears smoothly. These elements work together to ensure the engine's power is efficiently transferred to the transmission and ultimately to the vehicle's wheels. Types of clutches. There are various types of clutches used in vehicles, each with specific characteristics to meet different needs and performance types. The friction clutch is the most common in passenger cars. It uses a clutch disc coated with friction material that presses against the flywheel. This type of clutch can be single disc or multi-disc. The single disc clutch is simple and efficient, while the multi-disc clutch is used in high-performance vehicles and motorcycles, where higher torque capacity is needed in a compact space. Another type is the hydraulic clutch, which uses hydraulic fluid to transmit the pedal force to the disengagement mechanism. This clutch type offers smoother operation and less pedal effort, common in modern vehicles. Centrifugal clutches are another type, usually used in motorcycles and small machines. They engage automatically as the engine speed increases due to centrifugal force, making it easier for beginners and in continuous use conditions. Cone clutches are less common but are used in some manual transmissions and gearboxes. They use conical surfaces to engage and disengage the clutch, providing smooth action and less wear. In more advanced systems, like those used in racing cars and some sports cars, we find multi-disc clutches and carbon disc clutches. The latter are extremely lightweight and offer excellent heat resistance, ideal for high-performance situations. Lastly, automated clutches used in automatic and semi-automatic transmissions combine the principles of manual and automatic clutches. Systems like dual-clutch transmissions use two separate clutches for alternating gear pairs, allowing ultra-fast gear changes with virtually no power interruption. Each clutch type has its own set of advantages and disadvantages, chosen according to the specific needs of the vehicle and the driver. How the clutch works in practice. In practice, the clutch operation is a complex but fundamental process for the smooth operation of a vehicle. When the engine is running, it is always rotating. But to change gears or stop the car without turning off the engine, we need a mechanism to temporarily disconnect the engine from the transmission. This mechanism is the clutch. When you press the clutch pedal, a series of events is triggered. The clutch pedal is connected to a cable system or a hydraulic system that acts on the pressure plate. The pressure plate is pushed away from the clutch disc, which is coupled to the flywheel. The flywheel, in turn, is fixed to the engine and rotates with it. When the pressure plate moves away, the clutch disc disengages from the flywheel, interrupting the power transfer from the engine to the transmission. This allows you to change gears without causing excessive wear or friction on the gears. After changing gears, when you release the clutch pedal, the pressure plate is pushed back, pressing the clutch disc against the flywheel again. This movement reconnects the engine to the transmission, allowing the engine's power to be transmitted to the wheels. During this process, the friction material on the clutch disc ensures a smooth and efficient power transfer, preventing slipping. Additionally, the clutch allows the vehicle to stay idle without turning off the engine. When the car is idling and stopped, the clutch pedal must be pressed to keep the engine running without moving the car. This is especially useful in heavy traffic or at stoplights. Another important aspect of the clutch operation is its ability to absorb impact during gear changes, protecting the internal components of the transmission from damage. In vehicles with multi-disc clutches, like high-performance cars, the principle is the same, but these systems can handle greater torque forces due to increased friction surfaces. Hydraulic clutch systems, common in modern cars, use hydraulic fluid to transmit the clutch pedal force to the disengagement mechanism. This results in smoother operation and requires less effort from the driver. These systems are generally more reliable and durable, providing a more comfortable driving experience. In summary, the clutch is a vital component that allows smooth and efficient gear changes, ensures the engine keeps running when the vehicle is stopped, and protects the transmission system from damage. Its precise and controlled operation is essential for the overall performance of the vehicle, making driving more controlled and comfortable. Maintenance and common problems. Clutch maintenance is crucial for the proper functioning of the vehicle. Common problems include wear of the clutch disc, which can result in difficulty engaging gears and slipping, where the engine revs but the car does not move efficiently. Another frequent issue is failure in the master or slave cylinder in hydraulic systems, causing loss of pressure and difficulty pressing the clutch pedal. Hydraulic fluid leaks are also a recurring problem and can lead to complete clutch system failure. To avoid these problems, it is important to perform regular inspections and replace worn or damaged components. Changing the hydraulic fluid as recommended by the manufacturer and properly adjusting the clutch cable in mechanical systems are preventive measures that help extend the clutch's lifespan. Additionally, avoiding driving habits that overburden the clutch, such as unnecessarily keeping your foot on the pedal, can reduce wear. With proper maintenance, the clutch can function efficiently for many years, ensuring smooth and safe driving. The clutch is a vital component of a vehicle's transmission system, allowing the driver to change gears smoothly and control the engine's power flow to the wheels. Understanding the clutch's operation, types, and the importance of maintenance can transform the way you drive and take care of your car. If you enjoyed this technical dive into the world of clutches, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Your participation is essential for us to continue bringing detailed and useful information about the automotive world. Leave your comments and questions below. We want to hear your opinions and doubts. Also, share this video with your friends and family who are also passionate about cars or who simply want to understand better how their vehicles work. And don't forget to turn on notifications to be alerted whenever we release a new video. Staying informed about your car's components not only helps ensure safer and more efficient driving but also can save you time and money on future maintenance. Thanks for watching and see you next time as we continue exploring more fascinating aspects of the automotive world.